Hello, boys and girls. I hope you are having a great day today. As you can see, I am joined by two of our friends, Elephant and Piggy, and they are here today because we will be reading a Elephant and Piggy story. This is one of my most favorites called There Is a Bird on Your Head. And these stories are written by the most amazing Mo Willems. Okay, Elephant and Piggy, are you guys ready? They said yes. Here we go. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on your head. Ooh. Remember, we like to see the beginning and the last page to see how it changes. There is a bird on your head. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? Oh no. No? Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Oh, the birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Oh no. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have three eggs on your head. I do not want three eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Elephant's not happy. Now I have three baby chicks on my head and two birds and a nest. I do not want three baby chicks, two birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Somewhere else! Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them! Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. Bye. It worked. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Now, on the next page, we always like to find our special friend Pigeon. So when I turn the pages, I want you to see if you can find him. If you find him, I want you to point and say, "Oh, I see Pigeon." Ready? Go. Do you see him? I see him. Oh, what is he eating? Oh, a hot dog. Oh my goodness. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the book. There is a bird on your head. Oh my goodness, it's so funny. Gerald, Piggie, what you guys think? Was it good? Yeah? Awesome. Okay, boys and girls, I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.